Hey guys, so today let's learn how to use Gemini AI Business with our Google Workspace. So if you guys are wondering how to basically have this Gemini AI Business edition on your Google Workspace and basically have it help you with your business needs, this is going to be pretty easy because all we need to do in order for us to accomplish this is to do a quick search of the Gemini Business. So basically all we need to do is just go ahead and do a quick search of Gemini AI Business. And this is basically a subscription plan for the Gemini AI. So this is basically, as I said a while ago, a subscription plan. So in order for us to access this, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the Google website blog, and it's going to show me, of course, the best information about Gemini AI. So as you would see, we are on the Google blog, and we can actually see a lot of different topics over here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the Gemini product updates and see if it is actually available for me to view. So as you would notice, I'm going to go ahead and just access the workspace.google.com website, and this is going to show me, of course, the Gemini AI for our Google Workspace. So if you want to go ahead and just tap on pricing over here, you are going to see the different options available. So as you would see, we have Business Starter, Business Standard, Business Plus, and Enterprise. So you can actually go ahead and just subscribe to any of these subscriptions over here depending on your budget and your liking. So all we need to do is to go ahead and just tap on Get Started on any of these plans over here depending on what we like, and it's automatically going to be included with all of these Google applications on the Google Workspace. So if you want to go ahead and try this out, you could go ahead and just view workspace.google.com/pricing.html, and this is going to take you to this blog or website right here. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.